Welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you easy and simple recipe on how to lose weight so fast, and keep watching to the end. I'll be putting 2 spoons of flaxseed. Brown one is the best anyway, and 2 spoons of chia seed. Wow, this is gonna make you to lose weight very fast. Keep watching to the end. So once the chia seed and the flaxseed is in, you mix it, stir it up together a little bit, and then put your warm water, hot water, whichever one you prefer. Soak it, leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're good to go for the next step. Keep watching. Where you're watching from. So after stirring it together, then you cover it up, leave it for about 15-10 minutes. There you go. Now the chia seed is ready. It's now slimy. After soaking it for about 15 minutes, see how it is, how it looks now. Keep watching. This is very good for you. Help you to lose a lot of weight as quick as possible, very fast. My chia seed and flax seed now, after soak for 15 minutes, is going into the blender now. See how slimy it is. Keep watching. Yeah, this is my cucumber. I'm gonna be slicing them, cut them into pieces. It's gonna be going into the blender as well. I'm gonna be using more of cucumber, so I'm using more than half of it. So the cucumber will be going in. Next one now. Yeah, this is celery. So I'm putting in one of them. I'm gonna chop it into pieces. Yeah, the celery is ready now. It's going into the blender. Yeah, the next one now, I'm gonna be juicing my lemon. See, my lemon got seeds, it's organic one. So 1 lemon is going to be going inside. You can use lime, you can use lemon, so any of your choice, your favorite. So now I'm going to be adding this creamy Greek natural yogurt to give you a super taste, because this is full of protein. I'm adding about 4 spoons because I want it to be so smoothie. This is water, 500 ml, but I'll be putting the water and see how it goes. If I need more or if I need to put all the 500. As time goes on, I think about 100 left. Yeah, I've added approximately 400 out of 500, and I'm covering it now. Start the blending. Keep watching. This is gonna make you to lose weight fast, 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 fast. It's time to start the blending. I'm gonna blend it one more time. Blend all till it's very smooth, because this is the secret of weight loss. Yeah, our secret to fast heavy weight loss, fast weight loss is ready now. See how creamy it is, looking so nice. See how it looks. Gonna give you a test. This looks so yummy. This will make you to lose weight so easy, fast. This tastes so yummy. This is our secret to fast weight loss. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and colleagues. This is good for your health. Thanks for watching.